Hey everybody, it's Sylvie Curry, and I'm feeling sort of like in a, what kind of mood? Let me just get this thing going. This is April the 12th, 2020, Easter Sunday, and we're still on lockdown. So I'm going to be making Easter dinner for my hubby and I, and it's going to be real simple, or some people will say it's simple. I'm just going to have some chicken and tandoori. It's going to be a tandoori style. And I'm also going to be making some naan bread. I know that I didn't show you this before, but I've got 3 Cornish hens here that I've had marinating for the last 18 hours in the refrigerator. What I did was I prepared a marinade which included a lot of tandoori seasonings, including coriander, garam masala, all those type of things. And I also, with turmeric's in there, and I also added a little bit of red food coloring so that my little hens here would have a reddish hue to them. The last 2 hours I added lemon. I didn't want to put that in there last night because I didn't want it to start to cooking the chicken, so to say, with the acid. But anyway, I want to show you this stuff just to show you what I'm going to be cooking here today for our holiday dinner, our Easter dinner. So I'm getting ready to put them on the grill. And I'm going to grill them on my kettle. I also put a little lemon wedge in each of the cavities, so that I'm going to leave those in there as they cook. And I'll write in the description section what the ingredients are I have in here to marinate these hens. Put this to the side, then I can show you exactly what I have here. Those seasonings and spices smell also good. I've got a lot of garlic and ginger in there also. I marinated these hens for about 18 hours in the refrigerator, and I used a variety of seasonings and spices to do so. I'll read those off to you. I'll give you the exact amounts in the description, but for right now I'll just read it off. I made a garam masala, which included coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, whole cloves, cardamom seeds, fennel seeds, caraway seeds, 2 bay leaves, chili flakes, cinnamon stick, in addition to nutmeg, fresh nutmeg. And what I did was I toasted a lot of these ingredients first, and then I put them in the spice grinder to grind them up to a powder. Then I combined the garam masala with some of the other seasonings that go in my tandoori chicken, and that included vegetable oil, more coriander, more cumin, turmeric, cayenne pepper, in addition to some paprika, sweet paprika. I used buttermilk because I didn't have yogurt, and it's listed as a possible substitute, so that's what I had to go with. I used a little bit of lemon. The lemon I did not put in there till a couple hours ago because I didn't want the lemon to cook, per se, the hens. I also rubbed these hens with minced garlic and ginger, made into like a paste, and I stuffed them with the wedges from the lemon that I used to put in there after a few hours. And we'll cook these up on the grill, and that'll be Easter dinner. Cornish hens, ready to come off. Here we have our Easter dinner. Easter dinner, we've got naan bread, tandoori chicken, Brussels sprouts, and some couscous. Time to eat.